Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can save your WordPress website backups on Dropbox platform. So now let me go here and log in into my website. Now make sure that you have installed a plugin. So you can go and search for Updraft Plus and you can easily install this powerful plugin. Here you can see plugin rating 5.0 and 3 million plus active installation. So you can easily install this plugin to create your WordPress website backups. So now let's go, and after that you can simply click here backup, and then you can easily save your backup files into your laptop. So now to store your backup files on the Dropbox, how you can do that? Simply click on settings. Then here you can see you can easily create and schedule your backups. Then scroll down. So these are the platforms that are integrated with Updraft Plus plugin. So let me go here and select Dropbox, then scroll down. So you need to select these files that you want to backup. Then click here Save Changes. So now we need to authorize. Simply click here. And after that, allow it for the Updraft. Then click on Complete Setup. Now let's go back and log in into WordPress website. Now let's try to create a new backup. And it can take time depending upon the website files and size. And now here you can see backup is almost complete. So now let's close this notification, and here you can see we got this logo from the Dropbox. So now let's go here and check. So let's reload this page. So here you can see this one in apps folder updraftplus.com. You can also go and check inside Updraft folder. So these are all the required files for the backup.